Hey, you might be wondering whether you should get started with residential properties or commercial properties right off the bat. If that's you, then you found the right video. Hey, let's cue in that intro and dive deep into this topic. Hey, how's it going, friend? Juan, Pablo here. First and foremost, thank you so much for visiting this channel. On this channel, we like to discuss the 3 pillars to financial freedom, which are personal finance, funding, and real estate investing, with an emphasis on multi-units and multi-family investing, baby. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and share this content so that way the algorithm can do its thing to provide you with additional videos to help you along your journey towards financial freedom. So without further ado, let's dive into this topic. Okay, you might be wondering, hey, what should I do, man? Should I get started in residential properties or commercial? Well, hey, this is the first thing I gotta share with you, right? I'm gonna spill the beans right off the rip. Multifamily is the fastest way to financial freedom. I'll repeat it. Multifamily is the fastest way to financial freedom. So you want to get to multifamily properties as quickly as possible. All right, so the biggest determinant in regard to getting to multifamily is getting qualified for a mortgage, a commercial mortgage. So one of the first things you need to do is reach out to a mortgage broker to see if you qualify for commercial properties right off the rip. Now, if you reach out to a mortgage broker, and let's say that mortgage broker says that you're not qualified, then you want to make sure you reach out to the right mortgage broker, by the way, because you might reach out to your cousin who's a residential mortgage lender, and he might say, no, you don't qualify. That's because he doesn't do the commercial mortgages. So assuming you're reaching out to someone credible, you want to see if you can qualify for a commercial mortgage. If not, no worries. My first 3 years of investing, I couldn't qualify for a commercial mortgage because I didn't know what I knew now. So when I first got started, I had to do residential mortgages, which means they'll be able to provide you with a mortgage, residential mortgages, mortgage companies, with from 1 to 4 units. So I bought a duplex for my first deal in year 1. I bought a single family property in year 1 as well. Year 2, I bought 0 properties. In year 3, I bought a 4 unit. And they were all residential, okay? So being that I acquired 7 units at that point, a duplex, single family, 4 unit, a 7. Then I reached out to my mortgage lender again and said, hey, am I ready yet? Can I dive deep into multifamily? Then he gave me that green light. He introduced me to some other lenders, and I was able to jump into multifamily from there. So pretty much, you want to be able to leverage the cards that were dealt to you. Play the best hand possible. So if you say, hey, I want to get to multifamily, Juan Pablo, as quickly as possible. However, I don't qualify. No worries. If you have to get a single family or a duplex, then get the duplex. If you had to do 4 units or triplexes for your first couple deals, then do those deals until you qualify for multifamily. Now, don't get me wrong. There are some exceptions to that rule. There is a shortcut. What is that shortcut? Creative financing. So that's you getting access to a master lease option. There's no mortgage at all, right? That's just a deal you work out between you and the seller. And you can also do a limited partnership. That means that, hey, you can get a person who does qualify for the mortgage, a person who does have the capital, and you just do the legwork. Either one of those options, the master lease option or limited partnership, will work. That's the shortcut. That's the creative financing route if you don't want to wait like I did. But of course, I didn't know that information when I first got started. But now you do. Now, if you want more information about master lease options, just check the link below in the description to learn more. And I have another free training for you. This free training is about how to invest in multi-unit properties to get that cash flow. We talk about OPM. We also talk about investing out of state. We talk about so many different things about how to fund these properties. You definitely don't want to miss this training. So just make sure you check the link below in the description to learn more. As always, guys, this is to your success. Continue to earn passively, live passionately. Peace.